6.
Well, an unexpected twist in the case of a man accused of gunning down 3 family members right in front of 4 children inside a Sullivan County home. A twist in this case that stopped the trial before the jury was even seated. Good evening, I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Sarah Diamond. Robert Denton is charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder in the August 2015 shooting deaths of his mother, stepfather, and grandmother. Sullivan County Sheriff Wayne Anderson described the crime scene as the worst he's seen in more than 4 decades of law enforcement. Elizabeth Kubel joins us live outside the Sullivan County Justice Center.
Elizabeth, you were there today as an announcement was made about Denton's defense team, and that caused the delay?
That's right. We were in the courtroom for hours as prosecutors and defense attorneys went through the jury selection process. But after the judge called a short break about 30 minutes later, when the lawyers returned back into the courtroom, the defendant, Robert Seth Denton's attorneys, announced that their client had discharged them from the case. So what this means for the trial is that it will be delayed. And in fact, in court today, the judge said that it could be delayed for up to a year, and the judge will now have to appoint a new lawyer to represent Seth Denton. Now, I want to point out right now that the video that you're looking at is not from today's court appearance. Our cameras were not allowed into the courtroom today, so this video that you're seeing is from a previous court appearance. But today, in terms of what happened today and why it happened, District Attorney Barry Staubis, who was trying the case on behalf of the state, says that's confidential between the attorneys and their client Denton, but it's something Staubis says came as a shock to him.
It was a complete surprise. I didn't see it coming, and obviously it's a disappointment that we couldn't get the trial off the ground, but we'll start over.
As you heard from District Attorney Barry Staubis, there will still be a trial, but it is delayed for now. Another point to mention, Staubis was not pursuing the death penalty in this case. He says he will continue to pursue a sentence of life without parole. Now, at the end of the court proceedings today, the judge said that Robert Denton will be back in court on July 28th, and he will be appointed a new attorney then. We're live in Sullivan County tonight. Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11, in your corner.